On top inside Edo today, na my right to run for second term. Na Governor Godwin Obaseki na im talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk why im need to come back for second term as governor, as e be say im never do plenty of the things wey im promise Edo people finish, and the development matter for Edo State never complete. He yarn say im second term for office dey non-negotiable. That one mean say he must come back for second term. Obaseki talk this one when he received members of Benin Unity League for government house for Benin City. As he talk say nobody go fit talk who go be and who no go be governor for Edo State. He say na only God go fit talk that kind thing, no be human being. Governor talk say he wan stay for office because of all the better plans wey he get for mind for Edo State. And he talk say he don tell him cabinet members say he must come back for second term. He say him dey talk this one because say him deserve second term and he must get second term because na him right. Governor Godwin Obaseki come thank Benin Unity League wey dem take understand say katakata dey ground, but him thank God because say dem dey support truth. President for Benin Unity League, Dr. Gregory Osa, talk say the visit wey dem carry come na to join Edo sons and daughters make dem for not put body for bad thing wey dem wan take remove Governor Godwin Obaseki for office. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say na him right to run for second term for office. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come into una so na T-Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T-Live Media. Una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia to get more ogbonge informate.